How to protect peaches from pests. That's what we're about to talk about. Don't you want to eat your peaches just like I'm about to? If you follow these fruit tree tips, it's going to help you greatly increase the amount of peaches you're going to be able to eat. All right, the first thing, when protecting these peaches, everything wants to eat them, all the insects. All right, now to stop all the pests from eating your fruit, you can put an organic spray. It's called Surround Kaolin Clay. Let me show you what it looks like. It's already wearing off. Now, if you see all the white powdery substance, that is the kaolin clay, and it has rained quite a bit, so I would have to reapply, but it was all coated on the fruit. Now, the kaolin clay that surround, its job is to provide a covering around your fruit so that the pests won't find it appealing and they're gonna go someplace else. They're not gonna burrow through that. So that's a good thing. Now, one of the downsides to it, after it rains hard, you got to come back out and touch it up again, because if there is a crack through it, the pest is going to find their way. So the kaolin clay is a great thing to use, but you got to come out and keep reapplying it. And I'll put a link in the description below, so you may want to try it, but I will warn you, it comes in a big bag and it is kind of expensive, but that bag is going to last you for several seasons, and you can use it on your plants in the garden. Let me show you another tip that I'm going to be using, and this saved my season. Now, I also decided to use the protection bags right here to cover your fruit. You want to make sure that you cover your fruit when they're very, very small, because the pests will get in them early. Trust me, I learned, and we're going to, I'm gonna harvest that joker because it's going to be eaten. Now, this was the first season with my peach trees bearing fruit, so I had to learn real quick. So I lost a lot of peaches. I don't want you to be in that same boat. So next year, I know I'm going to use the surround, and I'm going to use the protection bags. But I'm gonna let you come over here and see my other peach tree, so you can see how soon that I put the bags on it. Now, time I noticed I had peaches on this tree, I came out early to put them on. So now I know that I don't have any pests in there. So this is a great way to save the fruit. Now, it may be time consuming, but this is the way to ensure that I will have fruit. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to use the kaolin clay in combination with the bags. So if I run out of bags, then I know, and I still got the spray. Now I'm gonna let you look at the tree one more time. All right, so I got my fruit protected. Now, some of them I didn't get in time, so I got some pests in a couple of the bags, but I used the kaolin clay and also the bag. So that's gonna be the way that I'm gonna do it to protect my harvest in the future. Now I'm about to harvest that peach, and I know it's gonna taste good. I also will put a link down below so that you can get those protection bags, because I'm gonna get a boatload of those, because I'm gonna be having bags on everything so that it's gonna look like Christmas ornaments out here. Now, if you look close, I even have them on my pear trees as well. So you can use this for all your fruit in your orchard. All right, now we're gonna try to see if I can undo this with one hand and get this peach out of here. If not, I'll have to put the camera down. Oh, I think we got it. All right, almost there. Ooh, and I also, you can kind of look at it. I had sprayed this, I can tell I sprayed this with the kaolin clay first before I put the bag on it, because I had to protect these peaches, protect my investment. All right, so all I'm gonna do is twist this baby off. Look, I think that looks better than a store peach right there. All right, so we're gonna go, I'm gonna wash some of the clay off, just like the pest. I don't want to eat that either, but that looking good, so let's go. All right, so I'm gonna wash this off pretty good and rub that little bit of kaolin clay off, and then we about to go ahead and get in and have a taste test. It's gonna be good. Now, I don't know about you, but I like the idea of growing in the backyard. Oh man, let's go get into it. Oh my goodness. Woo! This thing is so good. So sweet. No pest in sight. Telling you. Make sure you use, I almost dropped it. That's about to be a problem. I use those bags. Those bags are a game changer. The Kaolin Clay, I'm gonna still use that. That is gonna help me. I wish I would have started sooner, but now I know these tips will definitely help you. And if you think that you can't grow fruit in your backyard, stay with my channel and I'm gonna show you I can do it, you can do it. And if your peaches have been falling off like mine was, and the bugs getting into it, use these tips. I guarantee, look, it's right there. It will definitely help you. I'm a beginner when it comes to fruit trees. I put them in the ground 4 or 5 years ago. This was my first time getting harvest and I'm loving it. Woo! Take care. Have a great day. I'm gonna finish eating this peach. All right, bye.